This is a used 2004 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Troy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3230 South County Road, 25A, Troy, Ohio, 45373.